LIC, the trusted name that has protected Indian families for generations, now brings a new plan specially crafted for the common man. Introducing LIC's Jan Suraksha Plan number 880, a micro insurance plan that blends protection and guaranteed savings. Because every family deserves security, LIC's Jan Suraksha ensures that your loved ones are financially protected and your savings grow steadily with guaranteed additions. Jan Suraksha is a non-linked, non-participating, individual life micro insurance plan with guaranteed benefits. That means no market risk, no bonus uncertainty. Just simple, assured growth and protection throughout the policy term. Premiums can be paid as limited premium. 5 years less than your policy term. Guaranteed additions. Every year at 4% of your annual premium. Auto cover benefit. Even if you miss premiums after paying for 3 years, your life cover continues automatically. Loan facility. Available after 1 year for emergency needs. This plan is designed for hard-working individuals, self-employed, farmers, micro-entrepreneurs, and daily earners who wish to build security with affordable premiums. If the life assured passes away during the policy term, the nominee receives the sum assured on death plus all accrued guaranteed additions. At maturity, if the life assured survives the term, they receive the basic sum assured plus all guaranteed additions. A predictable and stable return for your long-term goals. Guaranteed additions of 4% of annual premium are added every year till maturity. If the plan is purchased for a 2 lakh rupees sum assured, you get extra incentives. 0.25% more for high sum assured. You can enhance protection by adding riders. LIC's Accidental Death and Disability Benefit Rider or LIC's Accident Benefit Rider. These riders offer extra coverage for accidental death or disability, with waiver of future premiums in case of disability. Note: riders not available under POSP or CPSC sales. You can pay yearly, half-yearly, quarterly, or monthly via NACH. Need funds later? You can take a loan after 1 year, or surrender the policy after 1 year for a guaranteed or special surrender value. Let's take an example. Mr. Rajesh, age 30, takes a 2 lakh rupees policy for 20 years with a 15-year premium payment term. He pays just 5,900 rupees per year. At maturity, he'll receive 2 lakh rupees plus 4% guaranteed additions every year, totaling a substantial lump sum that's completely tax-free under Section 10(10)(d). If premiums are stopped after paying at least 3 years, the policy continues automatically with life cover, ensuring protection even during difficult times. With Jan Suraksha, you get simplicity and transparency, affordable protection up to 2 lakh rupees, guaranteed yearly growth, auto cover and loan options for peace of mind. LIC's Jan Suraksha. Small premiums, strong protection, and guaranteed peace of mind. To know more or generate illustrations, use the smart all-in-one calculator app from Insurance Funda.